In the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Hello, my dear students of class 9th. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. In today's lecture, we are going to solve the exercise of the lesson, the role of women in the Pakistan women. In this exercise, we will solve the exercise and we will also know the grammatical terminology, and we will also know the tenses, how these tenses are used in this exercise. So, my dear students, so here in a previous lecture we also solved the questions, answer to these questions, and we also knew about the difficult meaning of these words also. So now in today's lecture we will also understand that a usage of has and have. So my dear students, has and have uses as a action verb, and as a helping verb. As an action verb, first we have to know about as an action verb. For suppose I say have a seat, it means sit down. So here the have play the role of the action verb. So I say have a cup of tea, so it means drink a cup of tea. It means here have play a role of action verbs. As a helping verb, it is used as a present perfect tense. For suppose I have done my homework. Here have its role as a helping verb. So my dear students, in these examples, have and has, you have already learned. Have already learned is a present perfect tense that Pakistan was established on 14th August 1947. She hasn't gone home. Has and gone, it is a present perfect yet. So my dear students, you must know about the yet, and yet is used in interrogative and negative sentences. Still in positive sentence. Has she gone home? In interrogative. Has she finished his work? We have finished our lesson. So my dear students, further we have to know this Ayman has bought a new bed. Okay, so present perfect have a drink. So in question 7 and question 8, have play a role of action verb. So have a drink, it means take a drink. Have a breakfast means eat breakfast. Okay, so we can use have, has as a helping verb and as a action verb. So my dear students, now prepositions on. So where we use on we use as a surface, or on we use with time. Okay, for suppose, so there is a pen on the table. Okay, there is a pen on the table. Or on use before the time or date. Okay, so here Pakistan was established on 14th August 1947. Okay, whenever there is a date 14, the date before the time, definitely we will use there on. So if there is no date and there is a time, suppose 1947, so there will be use of in. For suppose Pakistan was established in 1947, so we use there in. So here before 1947, there is a date of 14th August. We was left for Karachi on Monday morning. So my dear students, you have also know. So usage of on. Suppose as I told you when there is a surface, so we use there on with time. For suppose on Monday morning, so Monday morning, so there we use their on, okay, on Monday. So if you use only morning, so we in morning, m or evening, in evening, okay. So we use with days on Monday, on Tuesday, on Thursday, on Saturday, like this. So Qaidism was born on 25th December 1876. The train was on time. On time is exact time. Okay? Together means accompanied. Together means accompanied. So in the beginning, both Hindus and Muslims worked together. Means south. To drive the British from India. The Hindus and the Muslims could not live together. Means आपस में वो नहीं रह सकते. We sit together on the same bed. Together means south. We do our lessons together in the evening. So, my dear students, the meaning of together, it means accompanied. For is also proposition. So, for is used for purpose. Their rule lasted for about 200 years. Okay. So, here the two brothers were arrested, tried in the court and imprisoned for 2 years. What for? For 2 years. He waited for me by the roadside. So my dear students, here we use the for as a purpose. Have you brought this book for me, for him, for them? Okay. So look after means take care of. Look after means take care of. Okay. Mean किसी को देखभाल करना. She looked after the health and comfort of her famous brother. His uncle looked after him when his parents went to England. Look after it means this is a phrasal verb, so there we use for take care of. Look for means search. Look for means search. Okay. What are you looking for? Or find. In other words, find. What are you finding? I have been looking for him. Okay. Means मुझे उसकी तलाश है. Or him in the whole school. Look into the matter. Look into it means see or even search. So look into the matter carefully. Okay. Means उसको देखना. Look into your pocket means अपने pocket में देखो. Look into. Look out means बाहर देखना. To see out. To see out. So look out of the window means window से बाहर देखो. Look out. So here look at. Look at means किसी की के तरफ देखना. So just look at him. So you can say that if a teacher is in the class, he say look at me. It means pay concentrate. It means pay concentrate. Okay, towards to somebody. Okay, my dear students. So point at. Point at means किसी के उंगली उठाना, किसी के ऊपर उंगली उठाना. Don't point at me. You always are found to point at anybody, everybody or anybody. You can say that. Point at means to indicate करना, to indicate or. So here, my dear students, don't point at people. Don't point at people. Don't raise your finger. Pointed means raise finger in a sense. Everyone is pointing finger at him. Okay, everyone. Smile at means मुस्कुराना. She smell at means smile at, point at, look at means किसी के तरफ तवज्जो देना, किसी के मतलब कंसंट्रेट देना. जैसे कि look at me, look at them. ओके, smile at means किसी की तरफ मतलब मुस्कुराना. She smiled at what the child said. जो भी चाइल्ड ने कहा उसके तरफ उसने मुस्कुराया. Smile at. The teacher was pleased. Pleased means happy with Islam and smiled at him. Okay, so he was happy and smiled at him because he gave the gesture to him that I am happy with you. Never as a sense of not. So whenever you use not, you can also use there never. For suppose I never want to go out. Okay, I never eat or I never drink. It means I don't drink. Okay, never. The Hindus would never give. Or you can say that the Hindus would not give equal. Never in a sense of means not. I will never believe. I will not believe. Okay, I will never talk to him means he will not talk to him. Never it means not. Okay, so here want and need. Want and need is the same. First of all, I need your support. I want your support. But need is stronger than want. Okay, so need is more used than want. There is means वहाँ पे उधर. There is my friend in school. I say there was. We can also use in a past. Okay, there are. It means a plural sense. There was, there were, there will be in the future. There will be my best friend waiting for me. Suppose we can also use there. There will be. Okay, or there is there. So we can use there with means with the past, with the future, with the present. Also you can say that. Okay. So this is a very simple, and we have not go through these examples. Now, my dear students, frame 4 sentences using together with the following verbs: have, or, were, go, sit. Okay, so because this is assignment homework for you, frame 5 sentences using on with the following adverbs or adverb phrases. So, my dear students, the adverb or adverb phrases are same like adverbs. Friday, morning, horseback. You can use on with these verbs. Okay, this is also homework for you. And number 3, fill the blanks in the sentence given the below choosing suitable words. Okay, look it, after, look for, look into, look out of. So according to sense you have to use these. Okay, suppose I solve the verse. When his parents left for Europe, he was looked after. What will be the looked after? Means take care of. Second, third, and fourth you have to solve. Fill in the blanks. Number 4, fill in the blanks with suitable words. He stayed with me. So with preposition, you have to use it with the prepositions. I have been waiting here. Okay, and you have also used the since and for. So use since and for. So these used for perfect tense, present perfect tense. These both used, but since for a particular period. Okay, for longer period. As for 2 days. Or since Monday. So we can use these since and for. So you must know the concept of usage of since and for. So my dear students, you have to use here for. Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable words. From the given list of words, find out the words opposite meaning. So this is also homework for you. You have to find the opposite. Opposite means antonyms of the following verbs. Imprison, suppose you can say prison. Imprison means कैद करना, उसको मतलब opposite क्या होगा? Free, आज़ाद करना. Release, okay. So like the aged, uneducated, so and so you have to give these antonyms of the following words. Okay, this is also homework for you. So you must know about the this homework you have to solve, and the next lecture will be about the children, the poem children. We will know about the poem children. What are the children? What are the sources? They are the sources of getting rid of worries and tensions. Okay, so thank you, my dear students.